this drawdown right here was a kind of a deep drawdown,
Yes.
So how do you feel at that moment of drawdown? What do you do in order to get out of the drawdown? Well, welcome everybody. Happy to be with Semi here. A special day today is Christmas, and somehow you're available for the interview, Semi. So thanks for making the time to join.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
And happy holidays, of course. And I just want to first start asking, who are you? Where are you from? How old are you? How long have you been trading? Just introduce yourself a little bit for the audience, and then we'll go and discuss a little bit of your trading.
Okay, sure. I'm Semi. I live in Turkey, Istanbul, and I'm 29 years old. And I've been learning how to trade for 1.5 years, and I've been trading for 3 months actually. So I'm quite new in the industry. So, I keep discovering myself. I keep learning new things, and then yeah, I'm also into sports. Apart from trading, I do lots of sports and dance. Yeah, this is how it is.
Nice. Where did you find out about trading, or where did you start learning, or?
In the beginning, I had a little bit of money in the bank account, and then I wanted to grow that money that I had. And then, basic things, I search in the Google, how to make money online and stuff like that. So I came across with trading, and then, I immediately downloaded TradingView, and then I started looking for, coins and the Forex market. And then it seemed quite easy actually in the first, but soon enough, I learned the reality that it's not that easy.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I started looking for a good mentor, and then I came across with ICT. I started studying his concept, and yeah.
Okay, and then how do you find about the fivers?
5ers, after studying ICT's concepts, I wanted to give it a try, my trading, and then I searched for the best prop firms basically and good conditions, and then spread is very important for me. So 5ers has the best spreads in the industry, I believe. So I'm kind of a scalper, so scalper day trader. So spread is very important. So because of that, and also I seen good review about the 5ers. So this was my first option because of that.
Yeah, I know you especially trade a Euro USD, and
Yeah.
our spreads are almost zero at most
Yeah,
times.
the best in the industry, the best. I
Yeah,
tried some of them in demo account, and 5ers is the best.
great. Thanks for that. Okay, so if you're fine with, I'll share. I want to share your dashboards, and we'll go deeper into what you do and your strategies and your performance, and we can share a little bit of insights with the traders. Okay, watching.
Yeah, sure, sure.
We have 3 programs available. We have a 1-step program, 2-step program, and a 3-step program. You chose the 2-step program, which is called the high stakes.
Yes.
And something very unique about you, Semi, is the fact that you sign up for the first time, and on your first attempt, you managed to get to the target. So this is actually your very first account with the fivers. This is your first evaluation. Tell us a little bit, what happens behind the strategy, behind the stats we're watching here. What do you do? What do you look for in the charts? What's your strategy based? Or, tell us a bit about your system.
I think that early on, I realized that risk management is the most important aspect in trading. When I started the prop firm evaluation, I wasn't really so good at the technical side, but my risk management was on point, and then I followed my risk management strategy. So when I realized that as long as I follow my risk management strategy, I'm even if I lose 7 out of 10 trades with 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, I will be losing basically 1%. So it relaxed my mind. So I wasn't afraid of taking trades because of that. So I think risk management is the thing that helped me the most, I would say.
Okay.
But apart from that, as a strategy, I trade ICT concept, basic things like liquidity, fair value gap, and then market structure. I think market structure is the most important thing. I mean for me at least.
Okay.
I try to align small trend with the bigger trend, basically.
Okay. So that I want to go deeper into that because you know people watching might not be familiar with ICT concepts. So
Uh-huh.
when you say market structure, what do you mean by that?
Okay, there's big trend, let's say, and it's going higher high and higher low. And then let's say that it's pulling back, and then when it's pulling back, there is also small trend, right? So I'm waiting for small trend to break in the direction of the bigger trend, basically.
Okay.
Yeah, this is something that I'm trying to implement, and this is the thing that actually made me profitable so far.
Okay. Very very straightforward.
Yeah,
Okay. So we can see your stats are very very healthy. You have a break even win rate, but you have a a positive risk reward ratio. We can see you didn't go into drawdown a lot, not in this account at least. You didn't go into
yeah,
drawdown, so from first trade into profit. Amazing performance over here. And if we move on into your step number two,
yeah,
there's a change um,
yeah,
in
definitely,
behavior.
yeah.
We can see here in order to accomplish 8% target, you require only 18 trades, and
Mm-hmm.
suddenly in order to accomplish 5% target, you required like 158 trades. So also we can see the chart is much more active. This is this really looks like a scalping chart.
Yeah.
So tell us about the story behind this
The
this
thing is,
account.
I was trying different things actually. I knew that I had a good system. As long as I apply this system, I'm gonna be profitable. But apart from that, I wanted to try different things. So, I was even okay with losing the account. I just wanted to discover myself. And then, but the thing is, when I stick to risk management, I knew that I wasn't gonna blow the account. So somehow I was gonna reverse it. I knew it. So because of that, I was relaxed. And then yeah, that's the thing, I kept discovering myself and I kept trying new things.
Okay,
I still do that.
I agree. In that journey of discovery, self-discovery, in this account, you did go into drawdowns. Actually, this drawdown right here was a kind of a deep drawdown.
Yes.
So how do you feel at that moment of drawdown? What do you do in order to get out of the drawdown, both emotionally and in terms of risk management or trading? Did you do and tell us a little bit of you know
Okay, when it comes to risk management, I normally take 0.5 until I reach 2%. And if I'm in drawdown 5%, I start risking 0.25 until I reach minus 3%. So, I was risking 0.25 when I was there, and then I was quite relaxed actually. I was seeing it as a different challenge actually. When I'm in minus 5%, I was seeing that okay, I'm in zero right now. Most I'm gonna lose like 5%, and the break even is the target. I break it down as a new challenge. So when I think about it, I'm more relaxed, and then yeah,
I think that's an amazing approach into drawdowns because many times being into drawdown, it triggers a lot of stress in many traders, and we see how they start increasing their lot size in order to recover from that drawdown as quickly as possible. And what you do, or what you did in this case, actually decreasing decreasing lot size, decreasing risk, and focusing on the process in order to get back from the drawdown and afterwards into profitability, that's a perfect scenario, like a perfect process that traders should be following. So congrats on that. And after getting into the target, you got funded.
Yes.
How long have you been funded with this account?
It's been more than 3 months.
Yeah,
It's been more than 3 months.
I saw you have on this account, you have withdrawn like, I don't know, like multiple times from
I never missed until December, actually.
Withdrawing, you mean?
Yes. I
Yeah.
never missed payout. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, that the whole idea of the programs is the opportunity of withdrawing profits while you are able to increase your lot size, your account size. So you haven't get into the scaling, but once you reach the 10% target, you will be able to withdraw, to scale up your account as you've been withdrawing profits from the account, which is amazing. That's the whole purpose of what we do here. So tell us a little bit of yeah.
The thing is, I haven't been concentrated on making money actually.
Okay.
I was just trying to discover myself, trying new things. And then I saw that as an internship because, I've been trading for 3 months and there are many things to be learned. So because of that, I was just making some money and stopped trading. This is what I was doing. But in 2024, I'm actually gonna level up the game. Yeah, it's gonna be much different because I have more confidence in my trading, in my psychology, risk management, and yeah, I have more self-confidence overall.
Amazing. Happy to listen. Happy to
Yeah.
listen. So is there anything different from your approach into the funded account to the evaluation accounts, or you were able to, maintain exactly the same thing you were doing previously?
Yeah, I just raised 0.5 and then I made a little bit of money and then I stopped trading. Yeah, this is how it was. Yeah. I wasn't stressed. I just wanted to discover, like I said, new things, and try different things, different approach. Yeah, I still do actually. And I love the process. That's the thing. I love discovering my strength and weaknesses where I'm stressed, and then I add some different indicators as emotions. I use emotions as an indicator now. So when I'm stressed in the trading, when I'm taking a trade, if I'm stressed, I know that there's something wrong. So it's a huge indicator for me now.
Your own emotions.
Yeah, exactly.
Amazing. That's key. The fact that I was about to ask you, is there anything you do out of the charts when you're not training that helps you perform good?
I think I do breathing exercise before every session, and then after every trading session, I try to analyze my mistakes and my also emotions, because I realize that when I'm stressed, there's something wrong, and I think subconsciously my brain is sending messages to me. And then I started to listen to it, and it's very interesting. It's my first time to experience such a thing. So yeah, I think emotions are playing huge roles in trading. So as a trader, we need to understand our emotions and act accordingly.
Correct. Yeah. It's crucial, as you mentioned, crucial to stay accountable on your trading, but also staying accountable on your emotions and your psychology.
Yeah.
Amazing. So Semi, tell us a little bit, your plans. You already mentioned your plans for 2024. You want to step up and you want to be more engaged to trading. What would you say as a final message maybe to traders who are watching? Any recommendation, any tip, whatever you want to share?
For trading psychology, Mark Douglas is, I think, way to go. And it's no need to complicate things, just watch him. I think he's pretty good. And then it's important to try to think in terms of probabilities and then give it a time. It's going to take time. And I think you need to ask yourself if you enjoy the journey. If you enjoy it, then it's great. But if you are not enjoying and then if you are all the time stressed, maybe you should ask yourself if it's for you. But if you really love, if you are determined, you're gonna do it sooner or later.
Yeah.
So ICT is a great mentor, I think. Apart from that, I learned everything from him because he had live executions on YouTube. Yeah, and then I think it was clear that he knew what he was doing. So apart from that, education, risk management, 0.5% is great for the beginning. If you are in drawdown, 0.25. It's good for psychology, good for mental. So yeah,
Okay,
is what I
I
can
think we
say.
covered it. Overall experience with the 5ers, you want to share?
Yeah, it's been great. Everything is great. Great customer service and spreads are great, conditions great. Yeah, I mean, I wish there was more companies like 5ers actually. Yeah, because I'm really pleased with everything you guys share with us.
Thank you, Semi. Yeah, we
Yeah.
really do our best to, create services and products that serve our traders.
Yeah,
Uh,
it's been great journey for me and still it is great.
Amazing. Happy to listen.
Yeah,
So Semi, thank you again for taking the time, to talk to me.
you're welcome.
Of course, we're in holiday season, so we will upload this to the YouTube channel somewhere next week.
Mhm.
But of course, Happy New Year and happy
You
holidays,
too.
and the
Thank
best of
you.
you on your trading journey.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you
you
very
so
much.
much.